Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cornbread easy. First, gather all your ingredients like cornmeal, flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, milk, eggs, and oil. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and grease your baking pan, perhaps a 9-inch cast iron skillet or an 8 by 8-inch square pan. This preparation ensures a smooth baking process. Once your dry ingredients are mixed, whisk together your wet ingredients in a separate bowl. Now, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir just until everything is combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cornbread. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. This gentle approach helps create a wonderfully tender texture. Carefully pour your prepared batter into the greased baking pan. Place it into your preheated oven and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is beautifully golden brown. A toothpick inserted into the center should come out clean, indicating it's perfectly baked. Once baked, let your delicious cornbread cool in the pan for a few minutes before slicing. This helps it set and makes it easier to serve. Enjoy it warm with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside your favorite chili or soup. Store any leftovers in an airtight container to keep it fresh for a few days.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.